Hi everyone, this is part 4 of Data Analytics for Everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about NoSQL, data marts, data lakes, and data pipelines, foundations of big data, and big data processing tools. First, let's look at NoSQL, which stands for non-SQL. It is a non-relational database design that provides flexible rules for the storage and retrieval of data. NoSQL databases have existed for many years now. They are chosen today, I think, because of their easy to use structure. Non-SQL databases do not have traditional row, column, or table format. They use non-SQL databases allow data to be stored in free form fashion without any tables and columns. Any of the three types of data, unstructured, structured, and semi-structured, can be stored in these types of databases at any time. There are four main types of non-SQL databases: key value store, document-based, column-based, and graph-based. In key value store database, the data is stored in key values. Same with the document-based and same with the graph-based. Now let's move on to data marts, pipelines, and lakes. A data warehouse works like a multi-purpose storage for different use cases. By the time the data comes into warehouse, it has already been modeled and structured. As an organization or a company, you would opt for a warehouse only if you have a massive amounts of database and you want all of them to be ready available for analysis. A data mart is subsection of data warehouse built specifically for particular business purposes. The data mart acts as a divider in different data within the data warehouse. Data pipelines can be architected for batch processing, for streaming act, and combination of both. A data pipeline usually is a high-performing system that supports both long-running and short-running queries. The destination for a data pipeline is usually data lake, as the data lake helps run algorithms to query data. Now let's move on to big data. Now what does this term mean? Well, in the digital world, everyone leaves a trace from our travel to our workout and even our entertainment. The increasing data across the world has a name: big data. There are some elements to big data: velocity, volume, veracity, and value. Let's take a closer look at each of them. Velocity is the speed. Volume is the scale of data that's stored, and variety is the diversity of data that is stored, and it can also refer to data coming from different types of sources. Value isn't just profit. People invest time in big data because they think they can derive value out of it. Now let's look at these in real world. Velocity. Every 60 seconds, hours of YouTube videos are uploaded. Think of how quickly that is. Variety. Let's think about different types of data: text, images, pictures, film, sound, and many more. Veracity. 80% of the data we generate today in our world is unstructured and need to be analyzed before using. Value. These are most usable to people who seek profit or seek the values for a variety of reasons, like scientists and data analysts. To analyze this big data, we need big data processing tools. Some examples of big data processing tools are Hadoop, Apache Hive, and Apache Spark. These tools play a huge role in data analytics and data ecosystem, and we will touch on these in the future videos. Anyway, this was it for this video. In the next video, we'll be looking at data sources, identifying data for analysis, and how to gather data and import data. Thank you.